Carefully remove the packaging materials. With the panel standing upright, remove and discard the 3 metal shipping clips. 2 are located under the bottom of the top sash on the outside of the panel. 1 is on the inside on the top of the bottom sash, near the sash lock. The sash will now move freely. Remove the foam shipping block from under the bottom sash. Open and close the sashes to confirm they operate properly. To ensure the panel is secured properly, do not overhang the panel more than 1 inch beyond the outside surface of the framing. Make sure the front face of the panel is flush with or extends past the outermost surface of any framework, trimming, or any outside siding. Using shims within 1 inch of each screw hole along both jambs and under the corners of the sill, center the panel in the opening both vertically and horizontally. Shim to square and plumb. Install the provided screws in the pre-punched holes in the sides of the jambs of the top half of the panel. Move the sashes to expose the pre-punched holes on the bottom half of the panel and install the provided screws through the exposed holes on the sides of the jambs. To avoid bowing, do not over-tighten the screws. From the exterior, create a continuous air seal by filling the gap between the framing and the panel with backer rod and sealant. If desired, repeat on the interior using low-expansion polyurethane foam or backer rod and sealant. Apply trim as desired.